Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. I am going to show you some of my fidgets and so I'll be showing you some of my fidgets, not all, because some of them are broken, some of them are homemade. I don't really want to show the homemade ones or broken ones, so I'll just start showing. So I have these magnet rings. Oh, and also while I'm talking, go and check out so subscribe to my channel and like, and also go to Jennyfunnystory and Probostarza 2. Probostarza 2 is one, well, I just subscribed to that one maybe years ago, a few years ago. So yeah, there's magnet rings. There's also slime. Pop-it bag. Really cool. And inside will actually be the pops, so you just like look inside. So wait, let me just pop some of them and I'll show you. And then inside the pops will be there, and then you can like pop them. Yeah. And then also there also is a unicorn poppet, a poppet bracelet, a mini bear poppet, a mini bird poppet, dinosaur mesh, mini unicorn, and a magazine. I'm not going to open this until maybe tomorrow or something. Also got Starro Putty. You can like sculpt stuff. I also have a fidget cube. That's it for that pile. But also there is also a box and also a tub. Well, those are fidgets. There's also more Starro Putty. Another Starro Putty. There also is a octagon poppet. Simple Dimple dinosaur. Squishy pen, but since this is a duplicate, I might give it to someone. I don't know. We also have a car mini poppet, an elephant mini poppet, a cupcake mini poppet, and a pineapple mini poppet. And I also have two shimmer bears. I have a gold one, and this one I still have a pink one and green one to collect. Also, if you watched the opening vending machine fidgets, you would have known that, and you would have saw these ones. And I also have Rubik's. What else? What else? There also is a circle puppet, a heart puppet, another circle puppet, and another unicorn puppet. There's also a stretchy dog. There's also two tangles, infinity cube, tube, my pop tube literally just broken off. It's a tiny pop tube now. Literally, I was about to do it, and then it broke it off. It broke it off. Oh, at least I have two pop tubes now. You see, I have pop tubes. Well, that was weird. I also have another Rubik's. The Rubik's Cube. One side is solved. Also, there is Play-Doh in here. There is foam. There's also like this air thingy. There's air in it. There's also a snake. What else? There's also mini putties. be like mini parties like this. There's also like little squishies, thinking putty, kinetic sand, fidget spinner, triple dimple, triple dimple. What else do they need? Oh, a DNA ball. And also urchin tumblers. Woo! Ah! And to see the urchins. Right, I'll do the urchins once I just quickly put these away. So let me just quickly put all these ones back. Yeah, so that was really weird. My pop tube snapped. I was gonna say I have two pop tubes. One pop tube. There's literally two pop tubes now, and they broke. I'm just gonna do it together. Wait. Do you want to see what you can see? Hi. Hello. Hello? I can hear you all along. I'm like, hello? Hello? Can you hear me? Hello? Hello? Can anybody hear me? Can anybody hear me? Oh, that's your voice. Can anybody hear me? Can anybody hear me? Hello? Can anybody hear me? Yes, so just gonna put these in. And yeah, I'll show you the urchins now. Urchin tumblers. Urchins. There's urchins among us. There's urchins. Urchins are among us. Aren't they? Aren't they, Jenny? Hi, Jenny. If you're watching this, I'm going to show you the urchins. Let me turn on my light. Make it a little bit more lighter for you guys. And Jenny and Daisy. So they're just like urchins. That's my dad. Yeah, so thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. So yeah, bye, and I'll see you next time. Jenny, don't forget to do this video. Alright, good girl. Bye. Also, watch me. Does anyone want me to do a loom? Want to watch me doing some looms? I have 4 pieces on right now. And then I have like a bracelet, and then we'll watch. So, yeah, bye. See you all next time.